Mentak sengi ka ap konai tari ukalangkot aja pun reu ki pulit ka jela ka thang no ploin yau drok ba kan thup yau kan ja ba dawa ya tablet ki ba kurup na ka hinyau tuli ki district ka jela ba kot sya khandai kro sipol lak tengka yau new drok bat kan ja yau kurup na east khasi hill west khasi hill south west khasi hill eastern west khasi hill east janti hills west janti hills bat na north karo hills la thang ki hakar khana ka starsman limited lumshnong east janti hills hakani kijing thang yu ni drok asak hilang do IGP ka CID aditya ko inka IPS noroki SP jong ki district ba pher pher.
So today is a very special day. It's a very momentous occasion because the various drug disposal committees of 7 districts are here today to destroy, dispose the seized narcotics in a scientific manner, and these are in accordance with the provisions of the law. I want to tell you the details of the drugs that were disposed today. So we had 183 grams of heroin, 296 kgs of ganja. We had the methamphetamine called Java tablets of about 9 kgs, 2,793 fancy drill codeine based cough syrups, and R7 tablets, which were 534. The price of these drugs in the international market is approximately 9 crore 11 lakhs.